It's been wrapped like that?
He said he'd rather have it be sewed up, so I'm assuming it's cut good.
You probably need some stitches. Okay. Sweet. I'll go let them know. How old are you?
What does that matter?
They're going to ask you, and I'm going to tell them. Okay, what's your first name? Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay. Something's going on. Okay. What's your actual birthday?
Don't you know that?
I know your full name, but I don't know your birthday.
That matter?
Okay, here's the deal. They don't want you on their property. Their property is all of this, including the casino and down the hill to the freeway. So you're going to have to get in your car and take off, or you're going to go to jail for trespassing. All this could have been avoided if you would have just gone to the hospital or given your real name. I don't know why you're walking away from your car.
Well, you guys there, and
Say that again?
You had many men over there, and
I mean, if we didn't want you to leave, we would have stopped you if you were trying to leave.
yeah,
Like,
I'm good. If they want to, you know, say that I'm trespassing, okay, I'm gonna still use. There's a couple things I need to grab
From your car or something?
and then I'll leave. So, do you need to supervise all this? Why is this super important?
Because they want you off of the property.
Okay.
Is there a
because it's all
disconnect?
private property, and they want you trespassed, so you can't be here.
That's private. That's private.
Yep.
The
This is
whole
all
hill,
in,
it's all owned by the tribe.
Owned
It's all
by the
private
tribe.
property.
Yeah.
Recording started.
Yes, sir. Huh? Put that down right now. Put it down. Put it down now. Fuck. Fuck. Stop. Stop right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. 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 7-1. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it. I got the knife. Knife's here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Cuffs. Fuck. Get a med kit.
Yep.
Go, I got gloves. Go, go, go. I don't.
55, we need several additional units if CHP and Fortuna can respond.
I need scissors. Do you have scissors?
Code 3.
Camera recording started.
I guess, yeah. Take the other side. What's the issue, man? Put that down. 55, we have one at gunpoint. Put it down now. Fuck. 55, he's armed with a knife. Get on the ground now.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground now.
On the ground. Get on the ground. 55, shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Drop the gun. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
I got the knife. Knife here. To me.
To you?
Cuffs.
Go on.
Get a med kit.
Yep.
Go, I got this.
55, East Cuff, start medical code 3. You got another pair of gloves? Okay, that's fine. $55, we need several additional units of CHP and Fortuna can respond.
I need scissors.
Code 3.